At some point in your life, you are likely to have a bank account or a savings account. When you open the account, there is no money in it. The amount of money in your account is called the account balance. When you open the account, your account balance is 0. You have 60 Rand you want to pay into your account. This is called a deposit. Once you have deposited the 60 Rand into your account balance will now show 60 Rand. Later on, you want to pay in a check for 140 Rand. After making this deposit, your account balance goes up by 140 Rand to 200 Rand. Sometime later, you need 80 Rand. You ask your bank to give you 80 Rand. This is called a withdrawal. When your bank gives you the 80 Rand you have asked for, your account balance will reduce by 80 Rand. It is now standing at 120 Rand. Sometimes you may want to withdraw more money than you have in your account. If the bank agrees, they will lend you the amount of money you need. Imagine you need 200 Rand, but you only have 120 Rand in your account. Your bank has agreed to give you the 200 Rand you need, but your account balance will go negative. This is called an overdraft. You are overdrawn by 80 Rand. At some point in the future, you must deposit at least 80 Rand into the bank. Let's look at this same process on the number line. When the account is opened, the account balance is 0. 60 Rand is deposited and the account balance increases to 60 Rand. Then a further 140 Rand is deposited. The account balance increases by 140 Rand to 200 Rand. 80 Rand is withdrawn, so the account balance reduces by 80 Rand to 120 Rand. Now 200 Rand is withdrawn, so the account balance reduces by 200. This is only possible if the bank lends us some money, in this case 80 Rand. Every so often, you will receive a statement from the bank which shows the transactions you have made. In this case, the statement shows the deposit of 60 Rand on the 1st of October. The CR after the amount means that it is a credit to your account. Then, on the 5th of October, another credit of 140 Rands. The withdrawal on the 13th of October is shown as a negative amount. And finally, if you end up owing money to the bank and you have an overdraft, the letters OD appear after the balance.